Good morning, guys. Pete the Z, looking cute. We got some tools we're gonna check out and see if it is a vacuum leak. Of course, we're gonna go to this G35 and try to get some lines from there and just replace them and then just see what happens. If so, we'll just buy a new one. So we're taking apart the Z. No more turbo. Okay, boys, we just gotta take off the little bar. Know what I mean? Because there's a little leak underneath here, is what I hear, but I'm not too sure. So he's gonna take this off and just see what's up. Jeez, hopefully it's a good angle. I don't even know. Better pass inspection, hopefully. And then we'll get a cruise around. I having it off because it's so dirty, dude. But yeah, it has a rough idle right now, and it's been stalling at like fifth gear. I was running up codes at first, but I didn't really fix it. I mean, I was running up O2 codes, but I fixed the O2. Like, I replaced it, and now it's still running up the same code. Did some research, and it says it could be a vacuum leak. I did a little listen, and it sounds like something under here, but there's nothing. I don't think there's any vacuum lines under here. Alright, boys, we're gonna try to see if we can find a leak, hopefully. I think I found it, honestly. Look at the gas, real crazy. It's only when the car warms up though, which sucks, but we're gonna see. Sheesh, unfortunately we got no progress. What I'm thinking is it is still the vacuum lines, one of them, just a vacuum leak. But I didn't find it. I was trying to find it, but probably just gonna order whole new vacuum lines to see if that works. Okay, boys, with some research, we're gonna try something real quick. We're gonna try to reset the air to fuel ratio. I don't know what the hell, but you just gotta let it warm up and then disconnect it, start it up again, clear the code when it's idle or when you turn it back off. Fuck, I'm restart. Yeah, turn on the car. You gotta let it warm up and stuff. Turn it off. Disconnect the mass airflow. Turn it on again. Let it idle for like 15 seconds. Turn it off again. Cut on the ignition switch. And then clear the code and then try it again. I'm gonna let it run for like 15 seconds. Shit don't even work, man. Damn, that shit don't even work for real. Can't believe it's that code, the P101. Y'all can't even see that, John. Sheesh. Honestly, took a while for it to start back up. I was scared, man. I was like, damn, another problem already, man. But yeah, so let it idle for like 10 minutes. So, and then we're gonna see if that fixes it. Probably not. It's kind of already going down. But yeah, we're gonna see if we get any codes also. But hopefully that reset the mass airflow. But we'll see. Hey, yo, good morning. We're in the Z again. Know what I mean? So we finally got a whole new set of tools. I'm kind of hyped. I'm gonna show y'all that later when we're working on it. We're gonna work on it in like a few hours. I'm gonna go for a little cruise. Just chilling right now. But you know, sheesh. So basically my ECM fuse has been breaking a little bit sometimes. And I've been trying to find the problem. Like I replaced the O2s to just see. I checked like the coils, all that. Nothing. But then I started doing more research, and then somebody said water underneath your battery, and there's like a little wiring harness there, and I feel like there's water actually getting there. So what I did, I checked it and there's water there, and then I like sprayed it with some like air, and then after that the ECM fuse stopped breaking. Also the trunk with a latch, the trunk like opens up by itself, but it doesn't like fully open because there's like a little latch for it, and the front headlight goes out too. And then I was like, okay, it has to be in that wiring harness. So basically I seen 1 or 2 things that helps it fix it, and also another code that I'm getting might also fix it too. So we got a whole bunch of fuses. I mean, this isn't all the fuses. This is just a 15 amp. And then we got a whole bunch of other ones. Maybe this one too. And we have a 30 amp fuse too, because I think there's like 2 of them in the car. We're gonna replace every single fuse in the car, because why not? We got some dielectric grease for it. And yeah, but also for the wiring harness we got there, to kind of waterproof it, we have this little, we ordered this hose online. It's like $15. We're gonna put around it. And then we also got some electrical tape, or it's not really tape, but let me see. We got this for the fuses though. And we got this stuff, which is gonna kind of help waterproof it some more. So we're gonna be trying to do everything tonight, taking out the battery, all that, with the new tools we got, showing y'all the tools. I'm kind of hyped for that. And yeah, that's basically my plan for today. After I cruise around for a little bit, and then yeah. All right, good morning guys, next day. I just want to show y'all the new tools. What up? Beep. What up? This is pliers and stuff. We got these boxes. I don't know if I can open them in here. Maybe. Shit. Proxen, I don't know, this is like a German brand, but I'm gonna try it. So we got these 1/2 inch, 1/4 inch, and then deeps separately, and then I think in one of these drawers, the other one. Oh, we got a whole bunch of wrenches. We got wrenches in here too, and then we got a whole nother set. So I'm pretty hyped. Look at, but we're gonna be working on the Z today. We're gonna be putting the hose in there so it waterproofs the wiring harness, and then hopefully no more problems. But we'll see. Weird down here, bro. It's like tight, dude. Out here. I was gonna try to get a POV, but it's kind of hard to get a POV, man. Still got the clamps right now. We don't have that many right now because the ECM fuse broke on me, so I had to like rip them out. Might be doing an RX-8. What is that? Clutch replacement soon. So I guess stay tuned for that. Not even gonna cap, bro. It's a windy ass day today, man. Shot, man. Hold up. Gotta get this little clamp right here, man. Hold on. Bro, watch me not even get the right POV. Kind of windy though, and I lost my little thing that I put over the mic, so I might have to delete a lot of footage again. Oop. Oh shit. I forgot I have RTV here, so honestly, I don't have to remove this whole thing yet. I don't even want to take this off yet, but shit. Go ahead. Scrape it a little bit. Bro, kill this spider, dude. I'm sorry, dude. He looks like a crab. He's walking sideways and shit. Nah. Ooh, okay. Got it. Let me honestly take this off. Everybody be roasting me for it, man. For a tough time, man. Water was getting in, so I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna RTV it. That's the best we can do right now. I'm not. All right, so basically what we're gonna do, we're gonna take out the battery. I'm gonna order a new grounding wire, because every time I take this one off, you have to like finesse it back on. So we're just gonna take it off here. Kind of sparks, but it's not bad. I think we need a 10 for this, and I think for these bolts it's like a 14, maybe a 16, but deep socket. This ain't the best angle, but fuck it. You're gonna see some sparking and stuff. It's about time that I get my own tool set. Feeding off people isn't really the move anymore. It's like, bro, can I use your toolbox? And I feel like it's just a hassle to ask somebody else to use their toolbox, because like maybe they need it, you know. My finger on this, I might get shocked, but fuck it. Okay, boys, we did some off-stream mining. No, I'm kidding, but we just gotta take these ones off now. You feel me? But you see by the rust, like how much water actually gets down here. And honestly, like I still don't know, like there is a drainage hole, but it's like, bro, come on. All right, boys, this is what I'm talking about, this wiring harness. So basically water gets underneath this, and then when water gets underneath this, the car just doesn't act the same. So we're gonna cut off those these zip ties that I placed, tape around it, and then just put this stuff basically around this. It might be a little bit too thick, but I mean, it should work. I don't know why it wouldn't, but yeah, we're gonna do that real quick. So fortunately, it's about to rain. Like it's literally like sprinkle. Like look at this shit, dude. It's literally sprinkling a little bit, but that's besides the point, man. We got the hose. We got 2 of them, but we're literally gonna use this one. We're gonna tape it before and then after also. So I'm not even. We're gonna tape it before and after, and then hopefully everything's good. And the drainage hole is right there, but literally, even if it gets like a little bit of water, it just does not act. So we're gonna do this real quick. We don't got no scissors, bro. I think that's, hold up. Actually, we don't got no scissors, so these gonna have to do. I don't even know how these work though. Oh wait, sticks to itself. Oh shit, that's dope. It sticks to itself. Damn, that shit's sticky. Wait, I can't even get it. Oh damn, that shit official then. Okay, now I get it. Okay, that's why it has the tape over it. Probably like this. Unless you don't need it that long, no homo. Oh shit, this might be too short. But yeah, this is what we have so far. We just covered it up with this stuff. Hopefully it doesn't catch fire or anything. that's what I'm scared of, man. But yeah, so we taped that, or whatever this stuff is. I don't even know what it is. Now we're gonna put our hose over it. Wait. Oh, it's right here. I didn't even see it. What the hell? So yeah, so this should waterproof it just a little bit more. Honestly, make sure I did this whole thing. Honestly, this is pretty good. I'm not even gonna lie. We cut it a little bit shorter. But why isn't it coming off, dude? There we go. Oh shit, we got it. Okay, all right, boom. This looks so stupid. All right. So now that's what we have now. We're just gonna tape around it now. Damn, dude. Now it's time to retype. Everybody's favorite time. All right, we're just gonna cut through this because I already did it with y'all first. So yeah. I was doing this whole thing without music, bro. That's crazy. Where's my phone at, bro? In my pocket. What the hell? Some Red Bull time. Shit. All right, boys. So this is what we got so far, basically. I did the sides tighter, so it kind of like has like a watertight seal. But yeah. And comment down below if y'all think this is like too tight, like a fire would happen or some shit. But I don't think so. Let's hope not. I will see. But it kind of looks ugly, but I know. But yeah, that's what we got so far. Now we're just gonna clean it up. And then yeah, the GoPro's finna die soon, so I'm gonna just show y'all the finished up touches of the fuses. We're just gonna replace every single fuse in the car. We got this fuse box, and the fuse box inside, basically. We're gonna leave these ones alone for now, because honestly, I don't really see any big problem. Like if water does get into it, I don't think water would even reach it, to be honest, because the angle. Bro, I just almost got so sad, dude. I tried to put the 10 in, it wasn't going in at first. So I was like, damn, I got the wrong ones, dude. I spent like $40 on all these fuses, but it finally went in, so I was like, damn. And then we're also putting some dielectric, it just says electron, but dielectric grease on it, or solvent. So hopefully it doesn't fuck anything up neither. So I'll update y'all after, I guess. Also, this is like the first one right here. So as you can see, there's like hella shit on it. So I mean, it's about time you replace the fuses anyway, but it might not fix anything, but it's gonna help out. Look at the wheels though, sheesh. Gotta put some more chrome polish on it though. All right, boys, that'll clean this thing look though. We're finally done. Clean fuses in there now. All of them were dirty, bro. Look at that, sheesh. All right, boys, we're finally done with the bottom one too. I mean, we're officially done. We just gotta put everything back, all these parts. I gotta get this Nissan logo back on, dude. It fell off. I'm so sad. That's what it looks like, basically. Not too much to really look at, but we're just gonna put everything back, and honestly probably gonna keep the old fuses just in case if we need them. We have a lot of extra ones too. We got like a whole nother 10 box, but yeah, so I guess I'll see y'all afterwards. We're gonna start it up, make sure everything works, and then basically be done. So yeah, smash that like button, subscribe, and then let me show y'all the aftermath. All right, boys, moment of truth to see if everything works. I'm actually kind of nervous. I don't know why. Nothing ever really goes right when you work in your car. You gotta always do something else. Look like it's engine bay. Boys, it's good. Everything's good, no lights. Okay, hold on. I haven't checked in a minute. No lights, everything's good, boys. No, I mean, not everything's good. It's still, of course, probably gonna have the rough idle. That's a fix for another day, to be honest. But I mean, that's just something little I wanted to do. Oh shit. The ECM fuse was like something big I wanted to do. It's mainly just the thing underneath the battery. You don't have to change the fuses if you're having the same problem. I just changed the fuses myself just to check everything, but it's running pretty decent. But yeah, smash the like button, subscribe, watch another video.